This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable microphone access in the Thorium web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Thorium web browser opened up now. To enable or disable microphone access, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to go down toward the bottom to where it says Site Settings and click on Site Settings. Then on this page, you want to scroll down a little ways to where you see the Permission section, and in the Permission section, right here, Microphone, you want to click on Microphone. Right up top here, there's a box that shows what microphone you're using. You can click this drop-down box. You could change microphones. Down below that, Default Behavior. Sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. By default, the top one is probably toggled on, as you see mine is. Sites can ask to use your microphone. If you want to disable microphone access, you'll toggle on the bottom one. Don't allow sites to use your microphone. Down below that, you could customize behavior for particular websites, but the main feature is right up here, the default behavior. That is how to enable or disable microphone access in the Thorium web browser. Thanks for watching.